Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities. Hey everyone, welcome back to Unlocked English Fluency. Today we're talking about saving money. And honestly, this topic is very real and emotional for many of us. It connects with daily life, future dreams, and even our confidence.
Yeah, I agree, Maurice. Saving money is something we think about almost every day, especially when we have responsibilities. Talking about it in English helps us learn English naturally through real experiences.
Exactly. Saving money simply means keeping a part of what we earn for the future instead of spending everything immediately. It sounds simple, but emotionally it can feel difficult sometimes.
That's so true. Sometimes I tell myself I will save from this month, but then I see something attractive online and feel excited. In that moment, saving money feels less important.
I completely understand that feeling. For a moment, we think happiness comes from buying something new. Later, when the excitement goes away, we realize saving money was more important.
Yes, and that regret feeling teaches us a lesson. It shows us that saving money is not only about cash, but also about self-control and long-term thinking.
Right. Honestly, when I started saving money seriously, I noticed a change in my mindset. I stopped feeling helpless and started feeling responsible and more mature.
That makes sense. When we save even a small amount regularly, we feel proud. It is not about the amount, it is about the habit and discipline.
Exactly, Sarah. Small habits create big changes. Just like practicing English daily improves English fluency slowly, saving small amounts improves financial stability gradually.
I love that comparison. Saving money and learning English are similar in many ways. Both require patience, consistency, and belief in long-term results.
Yes, and both can feel boring at the beginning. You do not see big results immediately, but after some months, you realize how far you have come.
That is very true. When I checked my savings after 6 months, I felt surprised and proud. I realized small steps really matter.
I had a similar experience. Earlier, I used to spend everything and then feel stressed before the next salary. That stress affected my mood and focus.
I understand that. Financial stress can affect everything, even our ability to improve communication or focus on English speaking practice.
Exactly. When the mind is full of worry, it becomes difficult to learn English or concentrate on personal growth.
That is why saving money gives peace. When you have some savings, even a small amount, you feel safer and calmer inside.
Yes, and that calm feeling supports English listening and English speaking practice. A peaceful mind learns faster.
That connection is really interesting. I never thought about how money habits can affect English fluency, but it makes sense.
Let's talk about a simple real-life situation. Imagine you receive your salary and sit down to plan your expenses.
Okay, I might say, first I will pay my rent and bills, then I will save some money, and after that I will manage other expenses.
That sounds responsible. I might respond, that is a smart plan. I also try to save at least 10 or 20% before spending anything else.
Yes, saving first is important. Earlier, I used to save whatever was left at the end, but usually nothing was left.
Same here. When you save last, you depend on luck. When you save first, you depend on discipline.
That sentence is powerful. Saving money teaches discipline, and discipline helps in every area of life.
Exactly. For example, if you want to buy something big, like a laptop or join a course, saving money makes it possible.
That reminds me of when I wanted to join a communication course. I stopped ordering food outside and saved little by little.
That must have required strong self-control. Did you feel difficult in the beginning?
Yes, honestly, it was hard. My friends were enjoying outside food and I felt tempted, but I kept thinking about my goal.
And when you finally joined the course using your savings, how did you feel?
I felt proud and independent. It was my own money, saved through effort. That feeling gave me confidence.
That confidence is priceless. Saving money gives emotional strength because you know you can manage your life responsibly.
Exactly. It changes how you see yourself. Instead of feeling careless, you feel organized and thoughtful.
And we can express these feelings in English easily. For example, I'm learning to manage my money better.
Yes, or saving money makes me feel secure about my future.
These sentences are simple but meaningful. Talking about real topics helps improve communication naturally. We are not memorizing grammar rules, we are sharing experiences.
That is true. When we talk about real life, our English speaking becomes more emotional and natural.
Let's imagine another situation. Your friend wants to buy an expensive phone but has no savings.
I might say, maybe you should wait and save some money first. Buying it now might cause stress later.
And your friend might respond, yes, you're right. I don't want to feel regret next month.
See, this is a simple conversation, but it's very real. It helps English listening because it sounds like everyday life.
Exactly. And when viewers practice such conversations aloud, their English fluency improves step by step.
I think saving money also teaches patience. We learn to delay happiness for something bigger later.
That is deep. Waiting for something and earning it slowly makes it more valuable.
Yes, when you buy something from savings, you respect it more because it represents your effort and time.
Very true. Saving money also prepares us for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and savings gives safety.
I agree. Knowing that you have some backup reduces fear and anxiety.
That reduced fear helps improve English speaking confidence as well. When we feel secure, we speak more freely.
Yes, confidence in life supports confidence in language. Everything is connected.
Let's share one more example. Suppose someone says, I can't save because my income is small.
I might reply, even small income can create small savings. The amount is not important. The habit is important.
Exactly. Saving money is more about mindset than income level.
And the same is true for learning English. You don't need perfect grammar. You need consistent practice.
That comparison is very helpful. Small daily effort in money and in English create big results over time.
Yes, consistency is more powerful than intensity.
Honestly, earlier I thought saving money was only for rich people, but later I realized it's for disciplined people.
That is such an important realization. Saving money is about responsibility, not about being rich.
And when we talk about responsibility in English, we practice expressing deeper ideas.
Exactly. Viewers, you can practice by saying, I am trying to build a habit of saving money every month.
Or say, saving money helps me feel more confident and prepared for the future.
Try speaking these sentences slowly. Focus on pronunciation and feeling.
Yes, and you can also write in the comments about your saving goal.
Tell us, are you saving for education, travel, family, or personal growth?
Sharing your goals will help improve communication and build courage to express yourself in English.
Don't worry about mistakes. We are all learning together.
Exactly. Mistakes are part of growth in money and in language.
Before we finish, let's quickly summarize naturally. Saving money means keeping part of your income for future needs.
It teaches discipline, patience, and responsibility.
It reduces stress and builds confidence.
And talking about it helps you learn English in a natural and meaningful way.
We hope today's conversation felt like two friends sharing real experiences.
If it helped your English listening or English fluency, please let us know.
You can comment your own sentences about saving money and your future goals.
If you enjoyed this warm discussion, like the video and subscribe to Unlocked English Fluency.
And press the bell icon so you never miss our next friendly conversation.
Keep saving, keep growing, and keep practicing English every day.
We believe in you. See you in the next conversation.